what's up everybody, welcome back to WNR. Today I'm going to react Lisa, Ray and Doja Cat performing. Oh my god, Oscar 2025 guys, wow. Okay, let's take a look, let's go. Oh, James Bond. Okay. Oh my god, so iconic. Are they tribute for James Bond guys? This is like a tribute, right? Hey. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, who's that? Lisa! Right. That's Lisa, yes. Right. Oh yeah. Oh, okay. Yes. Yes. Oh my god. The entrance. Wow. That was absolutely one of the most iconic entrance in Oscar, guys. Wow, she's flying. Oh, she's the avatar. She looks good. Oh, that hairstyle. Sing, baby, come on. Look at her from head to toe. She looks stunning, gorgeous. That hairstyle really fit to her. Oh, the jewelry, the outfit, the ensemble. Oof. Sing. Her voice. Hey, come on, Lisa. Hey, walk. Oh my god, her aura, her charisma, the way she performed. Yes, Lisa, and that vocals. Wow. You better sing, mama. Oh my god. Let's go. Hey, hey, hey. Oh my god. Feel it. Damn. Wow, that was amazing. Wow. And that choreo takes a lot of risk, guys. And she nailed it. Oh, I'm so proud of her. Who's this? Ray? Doja. Wow. Can we take a moment, please, for this ensemble? This dress is absolute 10 out of 10. Wow. Yes, Doja always know how to dress. Her looks so iconic. Always. They won't leave in the night. Have no fear that they might desert me. That boobs is boobing. She can sing. She actually sounds good. I did not expect that her voice is this good, guys. Wow. I always watch her perform when she rap. Let me run. Hold it. Oh, that transition is smooth as butter. Her mixed voice sounds good. Wow, I'm surprised. Diamonds are forever. Diamonds are forever. Holly! Yes! Feel it. The way she held that note. Yeah, the way she's sustaining and that expression at the end is yes, I'm Slay. Ray, oh my god. Ooh, this song is so perfect fit for her. Why this volume is too low? Skyfall. Sing! Come on. Come on, vibrato. I really love this version because she made it her own. Really, but I still hear the original vibe of the song. Oh, she's still weird. The wire man. Mike. Her iconic signature. Oh my god. Hey. Wow. That's how you end it. Yeah, so that's how you perform. Ooh. I knew it. She's going to showing her signature. Ooh. That's so iconic. Ah, man. These three queens are amazing. Wow. Each of them really shine in this performance. Oh my god. Lisa, Doja, and Raye. Wow. But I thought they're gonna sing their song. But yeah, I absolutely love this performance. They sound so good. They know how to command the stage. Their stage presence is absolutely. By the way, this is the end of my reaction. Oh man, love this one. 10 out of 10. A plus, amazing. Bye bye.